guys, in today's video we're playing OG Fun Monkey 4. And this is our fan code, UMT. I'm gonna join a pub, cause it doesn't work in private, so like
Open the door. Yo, guys, this door's open. Whoever's putting leader, open it.
I love touching the freaking bean, bro.
Whoever's putting leader, open the door. Open the door.
yeah, let's
Whoever's
see here, bro.
putting leader, open the door. For me.
Guys, he's around that corner. He's around that corner.
He's around this corner.
Yeah, I do not want to go around that corner.
Somebody open that door. Somebody open that door.
Wait, no, it's down here. Remember, y'all were getting
I have
chased.
to
Y'all were
open
getting
it.
chased.
I have to open
It's
it.
going. Y'all were getting chased.
It's going. It's
Run!
gone.
Run!
What's happening?
Wait! I closed both doors, so now it's trapped in spawn. It's trapped in spawn because I closed both doors. I even closed the door behind me.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! I love it!
He's not coming.
Oh, he's going
I
after somebody
think
else.
that's everything that I said, bro.
Oh, yes! I love it! Oh, yeah!
Oh my god, Bean, how do you do that?
He died.
Oh, yes!
I'm gonna die. Rip to me. Rip to God.
It's in Bean.
Rip to God.
It has to. It's in Bean.
Ah, I died. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, he went. Could have got everybody dead.
Don't want to do meetup.
It's the glitch.
I know.
And I got spawn kill. I just got spawn kill, bro. Whew.
Hell no.
Yes, look. Awesome.
What's wrong with that
That's
Bro, what are y'all doing?
Chase him. The door.
Why is he right there?
The server owner has died.
I'm swatted.
No, I don't.
Server owner.
Yes, you do. Me, I'm server owner.
Open up the door.
I don't feel like
You want me to do this, boys? I
Yeah,
got
we
it.
gotta have another lobby. I'm not Mickey Mouse. I'm Diddy.
You know what? I'm leaving.
And I died. Dude, why is he right there in the first place? Why is he right there in the first place? Fine. Oh, no way else faster than the server owner of putting me in a public lobby. No, just kidding. Why is my...
The meetup.
Yo,
The
bro,
meetup
why
revamp
did
is tomorrow. Yo, boy, could you meetup? Yo, revamp, let's go. The meetup revamp is tomorrow. I repeat, the meetup revamp is
57.
tomorrow.
I'm busting.
Revamp.
How many?
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm dead. I'm dead. Meeting. You can't ask for hours. I said for hours. Killing off. Oh shit! I almost died.
He's getting chased for his dear life.
Oh, man. He died. No, never mind.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
No,
Go to spawn. You shouldn't go to spawn.
Open it, please. Thank you, I love you. I'm gonna be
He's
right back.
gonna go to spawn.
He's not gonna live to see the
Don't care
reward.
about spawn. I repeat, don't care about spawn. He's gonna go to spawn.
24 hours.
Wait,
and
I forgot.
56 minutes. No, it's 24
Wait, when
hours
is
and
revamp happening?
56 minutes.
I don't care if I'm camping in spawn.
Tomorrow. The revamp map is tomorrow. The update is. I think we should do it 3 days in 1 week.
What time Eastern? What time Eastern?
Who was doing it 3 days in 1 week? It says it right there. It shows you a
I
time.
know,
Wait, like in 24 hours.
What time Eastern?
Just count.
24 hours and 50.
Wait,
6 minutes. He's frozen. He's frozen.
Next week what?
If he's frozen, then go. Bitch, I knew.
I literally saw a timer for 15 seconds. That's after like 15 seconds. I was really counting down until it reached like the 1. Girl, what?
I'm pretty sure there's still 2 days. There's still 2 days.
No, one more day. It's one more day.
No, because
Yeah.
it was just that 2. It was just that 2. So that
Yeah,
means
no,
it's
it's
not
not one. So which is
Yeah, it's not
tomorrow.
at 1. I saw it.
It's not exactly at
I saw
1.
the countdown
It's not
reach
exactly
to the
at
1.
It's 120
I saw the countdown reach at 1.
and 56
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah,
So
I saw the
basically-
timer.
So there's still 2 days.
2-1. I'm closing this door.
Bro, you need to go. Stop
The
being
update is
vague.
tomorrow. The update is tomorrow. Because we were gonna go buy.
Dude, you want somebody
Come
come
here.
Saturday.
You know, I'm not gonna buy them.
Yo, what's that yacht?
We already see the counter.
I'm not even about to buy the new. Who wants to
anymore.
play?
Come here,
Walking
he's
Dead
frozen.
with me?
You gotta go get him.
Want to play? Walking
Yo,
Dead?
come on, somebody come with me. Somebody come with me. Somebody come with me. Somebody come with me. Somebody come with me.
Crocodilo, crocodilo. Jump, jump,
Start
jump, jump,
digging
jump,
in your
jump,
butt,
jump,
twin.
jump, jump, jump,
Who's a
jump,
Lena?
jump.
I stole a golden tralalelo from some bum.
Tralalelo, tralala, tralalelo, tralala.
La 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 la.
I stole a golden tralalelo in your butt, twin.
Patapim.
I'm also digging in that butt. This guy was a beginner and he had a golden tralalelo, so I stole it from him. Dude who's stance on my hoe.
Whoa.
Patapim.
I can totally agree with him.
Patapim.
I'm a mama, I hear him. I'm a mama. I hear him.
Patapim.
Dude, where is this kid, bro? Where is his?
Patapim.
He's right over here.
Patapim.
He's over here. He's over here. He's over here.
Go! I couldn't figure out which way I should go, so I should
Right here. Right here. I found him. I found him. I found him. I found him. I found him.
You fucking nigger.
Oh my god. Stop saying that, bro. That's not appropriate. He's over here,
You're
guys.
inappropriate.
I'm not inappropriate. What do you think?
You're a niggeropiate.
I'm inappropriate.
Bruh. Okay. Really, bro?
He's stuck.
Oh my god! I was trying to get people killed. It's not karma. He kept saying the N word. Okay, one more round. One more round.
Maze. I'm scared of maze. I don't want to go in there. I
One more round. One more round. And I died. Oh well. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye.